Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about osteoarthritis. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel my student support system. So what is osteoarthritis? Osteoarthritis is most common disabling joint problem. It is a degenerative joint disease which affects cartilage of the joint, which is inside the capsule. It mostly affects aged people, and main cause of joint pain in elderly people is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis can affect any joint, but most commonly joints are of hands, knees, hips and spine. These are commonly affected. Classification of osteoarthritis. The major types of osteoarthritis are primary osteoarthritis and secondary osteoarthritis. So what is primary osteoarthritis? Primary osteoarthritis is also known as idiopathic osteoarthritis. Idiopathic means causes are not clear. Till now we cannot understand what basically caused this type of osteoarthritis. Normally there is no prior event or any disease related to joint problem is seen in the patient. Just patient directly comes with the osteoarthritis. Secondary osteoarthritis is caused by some previous joint injury or inflammatory disease of the joint. So this is known as secondary osteoarthritis. Okay, secondary to any previous disease. Causative factors. As we just have studied that for primary osteoarthritis there is no specific cause. Osteoarthritis is a progressive degenerative disease. Age is the big factor in the development of osteoarthritis. Increasing age directly related to degenerative process of the joint because the ability of cartilage decreases with the age. Osteoarthritis often begins in the third decade of life and peaks between 5th to 6th decade, means between 50 to 60 years. Other risk factors include obesity, of course, because it put a lot of pressure on the joints. Previous joint damage, repetitive use of a particular joint, it may be occupational or recreational, anatomical deformity of the body and genetic susceptibility. Clinical manifestations. Clinical manifestations of osteoarthritis are mainly joint pain, especially during and after the movement. Joint stiffness is also seen, which is most common experienced in the morning just after awakening and usually lasts up to 30 minutes and decreases with normal movement. Functional impairment is also seen, means difficulty in walking or standing. Other clinical manifestations are joint tenderness, means patient feels pain when apply pressure on or near the joint. Grating sensation. What is grating sensation? Means there is a bone sound of the bone when it moves, crackling sound is there. So that is known as grating sensation. Bony nodes are also felt. Hard lumps may be felt around the affected joint. Like someone say that extra bones are there. The client feels like this. Then swelling, of course, due to soft tissue inflammation around the affected joint, swelling is seen. What diagnostic investigations are done for this? Best is history taking and physical examination. By these two processes, we can think of that yes, there may be chances of osteoarthritis. Then we go for X-ray examination of the affected joint, and in X-ray, the picture of this joint is seen like that there is a narrowing of the joint cavity. So it means cartilage is degenerated. So there are definitive process of this that the client may be suffering from osteoarthritis. For more clear picture, MRI can be done, but normally it is not needed for diagnosis. Confirming the diagnosis, just X-ray is sufficient, and sometimes synovial fluid aspiration and testing may also be done. Treatment. The main goal of management of osteoarthritis is to slow down the progress of degeneration. We cannot completely halt, but we can slow down the process and minimize discomfort by providing pain relief. Medical management includes painkiller medicines such as acetaminophen, and in severe cases, severe pain, opioid drugs can be given, and steroids, intra-articular steroids, corticosteroids can be given in the joint also. Then supportive treatment includes use of local heat application, weight reduction is very important, avoidance of joint overuse and weight bearing. And dear students, it is weight bearing, W is there, so you can correct it, this spelling, weight bearing. Joint rest and simple isometric and postural exercises may also help in relieving pain and discomfort. Orthotic devices such as splints and braces can be used to support the inflamed joint. Aerobic exercises are helpful. In moderate to severe osteoarthritis, when pain is severe and loss of function is there, then surgical intervention may be used. The procedure most commonly used is osteostomy and arthroplasty. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates, and you can like Facebook page. And for making your notes, you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.